Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Modic tokens from Gemini to your Arculus wallet, optimized for 2025. If you're looking to secure your assets or just move them around, this step-by-step process will make it simple and stress-free. Modic, also known as the Polygon token, is a popular choice for fast and cheap transactions, and getting it into a secure wallet like Arculus is a smart move. First things first, make sure you have both your Gemini account set up and your Arculus wallet ready to go. Start by opening your Arculus wallet app or device. If you haven't already, create or access your wallet and navigate to the Receive section. Here, you'll find your unique wallet address. Copy this carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Double-check that it's for the Modic network, since crypto addresses can be network-specific. Next, hop over to your Gemini account. Log in securely and head to the Withdraw or Transfer section. Select Modic from your list of assets. Now, paste the wallet address you copied from Arculus into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Modic you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees if needed. Before you hit Confirm, take a moment to review everything. Ensure the network is set to Polygon or ERC20, depending on what's required. Gemini might default to Ethereum, so adjust if necessary to avoid any hiccups. Once you're good, confirm the withdrawal. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. Now, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Arculus wallet to confirm the Modic has arrived. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, double-check the address and network settings, or reach out to Gemini or Arculus support. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Modic to a safer spot. This process keeps your crypto secure and under your control. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.